This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by creating a routine that responds when you say Siri. First, make sure Google Assistant is updated and active, sign in and grant mic permissions. Open Assistant settings, go to Routines, and tap the plus icon to add a new routine. For the trigger, type the phrase you want, such as Siri or Hey Siri. This tells Assistant to listen for that exact phrase. Once done, choose a simple starter action so the routine saves successfully and can be tested immediately. Next, map what happens after you say Siri. In the routine editor, add actions like Assistant speaking a custom reply, for example, "Yes, how can I help?" or launching apps and executing commands. If you need more complex behavior, integrate Tasker with auto voice to intercept the phrase and run scripts or toggles. Once your actions are set, test the trigger phrase multiple times. Make sure timing and phrasing match natural speech, and adjust delays or add confirmations so responses feel smooth and reliable. Finish by enabling the routine and testing it in realistic conditions, from the lock screen, sitting across a room, and after ambient noise. Remember, this method simulates renaming. Google's native wake word remains unchanged, so keep Hey Google active for system functions. If the routine doesn't trigger, make sure microphone permission, background activity, and any third-party app permissions are allowed. If conflicts occur with Siri on iOS, disable Siri's listening or change its settings. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.